So, you've heard about this online estate planning service called Trust and Will that promises to make wills and trusts simple and affordable, but you've got some questions. Namely, is it worth it? What does it actually do? And is this for me? Well, in today's video, I'm going to cover all of that and more, as well as what you absolutely must know before deciding whether or not to sign up. And if at any point you do want to check it out for yourself, I'll leave a link in the description below with the best available offer that also helps to support the channel. Now, diving right in, what is Trust and Will? Well, Trust and Will is an online estate planning platform that helps you create state-specific, legally valid estate documents right from your computer. So instead of having to write out your last will and testament by hand, you're able to do it online and make sure that it is legally sound. They're not a law firm, but they generate attorney-designed forms like your last will and testament, revocable living trusts, living wills or advanced directives, HIPAA authorization, financial and medical power of attorney, as well as guardianship designations for kids or pets. Their goal really is to make estate planning faster, more affordable, and more accessible than going through a traditional attorney. But how does it actually work? Okay, well, first you start off with a guided questionnaire. So you're going to answer some simple questions about your assets, your heirs, and what you want to happen with those various things. Once they know exactly what you want to do, they're going to help you draft state-specific documents that are going to tailor your plans to the laws in your state to make sure that whatever you want to happen with your stuff and your dependents actually happens in as simple and a streamlined way as possible. This is going to include things like a will plan. Within that, you're going to get things like your last will, a living will, POA, HIPAA authorization, as well as guardianship. To take things a step further, you could look at the trust plan, which is going to include everything in the will plan, plus a revocable living trust, a pour-over will, schedule of assets, and certification of trust. And essentially what you're doing, moving from a will to a trust, is allowing yourself to get more specific with how things are taken care of and making it easier for the people you leave behind to actually make sure those things happen. It's also very state dependent. The process by which your assets and your heirs are treated in different states varies quite significantly. And so the benefit of working with a service like Trust and Will is that they know what your state's regulations are. They know where the typical hangups are in your state, and they can help you avoid those. Now, if you are somebody who's younger, they have a young adult plan, which is for, that proactive person who wants a lower cost option for anyone ages 18 to 26 with a simple will, POA, HIPAA, as well as healthcare proxy. All of these documents are going to be delivered as PDFs, and you can also get printed copies mailed to you at no extra cost to make sure that you get them to the right people and everybody knows what your wishes are. And you're going to get unlimited edits for a period of 30 days. After that, there's an optional membership that you can take advantage of that will let you keep updating your plan over time. There's also optional attorney support, which you can access in most states if you want to pay extra for a year of unlimited attorney consultations to make sure that everything reflects exactly what you want it to. A few other benefits to keep in mind: they're extremely user-friendly. The interface, very clean, it's plain English, everything is explained to you. There's videos, there's even AI suggestions to help you do the things that you want to do. They also have a digital vault, which securely stores all of your documents online, where you can keep them and share them with your loved ones. It's also a very quick setup. Most people finish the process in 15 to 30 minutes. And the membership updates subscription is pretty affordable. $19 a year for wills, $39 a year for trusts, giving you unlimited edits whenever your life changes and you need to make updates. The security, which is also very important with this kind of stuff, is bank level AES 256-bit encryption. They've got SOC 2 Type 2 certification, HIPAA compliance, and they have a strict no data selling policy, so nobody is going to see this information except for you and the people you want to. They also have a 30-day satisfaction guarantee, so you can get your money back in the first 30 days if for whatever reason you're not happy with the service. Now, so far so good, right? But let's talk about what you need to know before deciding whether or not this is the right fit for you. The truth is, this is not a service for complex estates. If you have a bunch of businesses, a bunch of real estate, you're extremely high net worth, you need advanced tax planning, you're going to want to talk to an attorney. Obviously, this service does not replace an attorney, but it can be a helpful place to start if you're someone who doesn't have a bunch of money to spend on legal bills and you just want something set up to give you that peace of mind that if something were to happen to you, your wishes are going to be carried out as you would want them to be. That said, they do offer that attorney support, but it's not available everywhere. It's in most states, but not all 50. There's also an annual fee for updates, right? If you are paying that $39 or $19 a year, then you can edit past the 30-day period. Otherwise, you're not able to do that. And you do have to finalize these documents yourselves, right? So these documents are only going to be valid once they're signed correctly, either with witnesses or notarization. And those rules are going to vary by state, but they'll tell you exactly what needs to be done to make sure that your documents are enforceable. There's also no lawyer by default. Again, very important to talk to an attorney about this stuff, but unless you pay that attorney add-on fee, no one's going to review your answers except for you. So that said, who is trust and will really going to be best for? Well, if you're a single or you're a small family, you've got straightforward assets and you just need something set up, define your will, your guardianship, and your directives could be a great option for you to consider. Also, if you're a young adult, if you're a first time planner, you just want an affordable way to cover the basics like your healthcare wishes, your power of attorney, you can absolutely do that right here. And it's going to be a lot cheaper than hiring a traditional estate attorney if you've got a simple scenario. But again, complex estates, a lot of moving pieces, a lot of people, things need to get split up in all these different ways. You're probably going to be way better starting by consulting with an actual attorney. That said, how much does this stuff actually cost? Well, the will plan is going to run you $199 for individuals or $299 for couples. The trust plan is $499 for individuals, $599 for couples, and the young adult plan is a $69 fee one time. Like we talked about, updates either $19 or $39 a year, and the attorney add-on will be around $299 for a year of consultations, again available in most states. And if for whatever reason you're not satisfied, they do have that 30-day refund guarantee. So if Trust and Will sounds like a solution that you're interested in, feel free to use that link in the description below to support the channel and get the best available offer. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.